Welcome to Athens, the cosmopolitan metropolis of Hellas, Greece, a city cradle of Western civilization, where ideas of democracy and philosophy were born. Where visitors are treated as honored guests, a timeless characteristic in Hellenic culture.
Dear colleagues, the Greek Tunneling Society is proudly applying to organize the World Tunnel Congress of 2023 in Athens. Being in Athens, ITA members could combine business, knowledge sharing, social and cultural experiences, as well as leisure, in a blend that will create unforgettable experiences.
Athens, the city of myths, monuments, gods and ancient glory, is located in a privileged and blessed geographical location.
Athens, historically the birthplace of symposia, is absolutely thrilled to host the World Tunnel Congress of 2023. And I'm sure that you'll be pleased to discover a modern, vibrant, dynamic metropolis. It's not just about the lifelong memories that we offer. It's not just about the authentic experience. Especially at these difficult times, Athens offers a safe destination.
Discover a plethora of images that enrich the encyclopedia of life. Discover the idiosyncrasy and the character of a city that never sleeps. Fill your psyche with melodies. Enjoy the harmony of a sunset, the aromas in every step, myths and history in each corner and almost everywhere underground that time, Chronos, left as legacy. Meet places full of treasures, thesauruses, where yesterday meets tomorrow. Logic, fantasia, architecture, mathematics, mechanics, geometry, all in absolute symmetry and harmony that lead us through eons to the future. To the dynamism of a new epoch, with gnomon, current and future people's needs. Expanding underground.
The Greek Tunneling Society is the official representative of Greece in the International Tunnel Association, ITA. Since its creation in 1995, constantly participate in the activities of ITA. The Greek Society has also a very active young member group. The last 25 years are considered to be the Greek Golden Age in tunneling. Indeed, more than 350 kilometers of tunnels were efficiently constructed for highway, railway, hydraulic infrastructure projects.
During 2023, numerous large-scale underground infrastructure projects are planned to be under construction in Athens, providing many opportunities for exciting and didactic technical visits.
The Greek Tunneling Society has significantly contributed in developing the tunneling industry in Greece by promoting the advantages of underground projects and by sharing the latest scientific information with the engineering and construction communities. Greece is committed and determined to support the WTC 2023 organization in every aspect. We are excited to welcome you in Athens.
The Megaron Athens International Conference Center is one of the finest and most technologically advanced conference centers in Europe, with a total offering of 143,000 square meters, numerous meeting spaces, expansive exhibition areas, and sweeping foyers. Right in the city polis center, surrounded by modern hotels and thriving gastronomic spots, synonyms to the Greek philoxenia, the Mediterranean cuisine, and the world-class cultural heritage attractions and museums.
On behalf of the assigned PCO Convener SA, we verify that we are ready to organize a conference adapted to any unforeseen situation that may arise in this challenging era. Having gained experience from our international activity with our in-house engineering team and the multifunctional state-of-the-art software, which can be used for physical, hybrid or virtual congress, including a live feedback of the financial status, we are confident about delivering a flawless and transparent result.
The Greek Tunneling Society has got the knowledge and is committed to organize a successful and memorable World Tunnel Congress, offering what has been known as the traditional Greek hospitality. We would be grateful if you support our effort to host the WTC for the first time in Greece.
Embrace all these magic memories that will leave their marks forever. See you in Athens.